Got 2.5 minutes to improve your website copy? Checklist starts now. Grab a pen and paper. Pause when you need to. Here we have an example of Edwards Plumbing. They have a landing page for their plumbing repairs, and obviously in Gilbert, Arizona. And this is literally all they have, plumbing repair. That is unfortunate and a missed opportunity. How much better would it be to have something like this? You still have the keyword in here, plumbing repairs. It's important to have the keyword in the H1, in the hero text. But look, plumbing repairs fixed in 60 minutes or it's free. You right away provide the value, the benefit to the visitor, to your potential customer, fixed in 60 minutes, or it's free. This is just an example. You can put whatever you want. But that's going to help you stand out from the immensely crowded market. Here we have an example from Kinney & Associates, PLLC, Certified Public Accountants. Good thing they have this in the logo up here because based on their heading, supporting you and your growing business, how are you going to support me? How are you going to support my business? You're not telling me what you do. What's the benefit to me? How about something like this instead? Get your bookkeeping and taxes finished 3 times faster, stress-free. If you're a business owner, not even if you're a business owner, any person out there hates doing bookkeeping, hates doing their taxes. This tells me right away that you'll do it 3 times faster than I could and stress-free. I won't have to worry about it. I can just offload it onto you guys. Worth paying for, right? Focus on the pain of your potential customers, of your visitors, like Basecamp does. What's the first thing you see as soon as you land on Basecamp? Did we get that done yet? Wait, is that due? No one told me that. Blah, blah, blah. These are all the things actual people say when they're trying to manage a project and using all of these different tools and working as a team and trying to collaborate. These are all the frustrations that people feel. Wrestling with projects, it doesn't have to be this hard. Now they go into their solution. Basecamp is famously no nonsense, effective and reliable. And then as you scroll down the page, it shows all of the benefits of using Basecamp. Pain, solution, benefits. Here's an example from Sparkle Window Cleaning. Welcome to Sparkle Window Cleaning. For more than 50 years, Sparkle Window Cleaning has been at the forefront of providing exceptional window cleaning services, blah, blah, blah. Our reputation for delivering unmatched services to our clients hinges on our unwavering commitment to high-quality workmanship, customer sat, blah, 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 blah. Full of buzzwords. No one's reading all of this. Then we have Skypole, another window cleaning based out of Toronto. And spoiler alert, I did make this website for them. Pristine windows in less time with less money and more smiles. Get the highest quality, best service, and safest process in residential and commercial window cleaning. But even better, when you start reading the little paragraphs, it's not just filler text. We understand that you have options, but our dedicated team at Skypole sets a new standard of window cleaning services that simply shines brighter. Traditional window cleaners clean just one portion of the window, the glass. We clean the entire window and surrounding area. So it goes into actual detail with meaningful copy about what makes them stand out. It's not just filled with buzzwords that anyone could write with ChatGPT. Going back again to Sparkle, sorry guys, as an example of what not to do. Landing on the home page, get a free quote, phone number, learn more, get in touch. 4 different calls to action just from the hero section. Now don't get me wrong, nothing wrong with having the phone number. You should definitely have your phone number that people can click on it or tap on it and call you right away. But these other 3 options, this should just be get a quote. Do not do this. It sounds simple. It is simple. But don't confuse visitors. 1 call to action, at most 2. Because the phone number counts as a second one. But the other one, as we see in Skypole, again, the website I built, get a quote, request a free quote. That's it. You want everyone funneled down to that simple call to action. This will help with your SEO rankings. For example, going back to Skypole again, Toronto Window Cleaning Company is right at the top. That's the core keyword. It is a Toronto-based window cleaning company, so it is completely relevant, highly relevant to the search intent. And if you look at the H2 headers, as you go down, why choose us as your Toronto window cleaner, right? You don't keyword stuff. I didn't stick Toronto window cleaner in every single heading that you see here. You still want to work it naturally into the language. Why we're a top-rated Toronto window cleaning company, our window cleaning services. So the keywords are there, but it's done in a natural way. Do not just stuff keywords in there, but make sure you use them in a natural way. Above the fold means all of the content on the landing page before you ever have to scroll down. So it's everything above that you first see before you have to scroll down. So this is all above the fold. What do you see here when it comes to social proof? Social proof is basically something like reviews. It's proof, social proof of the quality services that you offer. Reviews, testimonials. Do you see anything here? Nothing. Skypole, what did we do? First thing you see, 5 stars out of 128 reviews. Instant social proof, instant credibility, and you need to have it above the fold in the hero section so that the visitor sees it right away. And this is what I mean by a long wall of text. Who on earth is going to read any of this? It is just a giant wall of text. Look how long this goes. Not even broken up by a single image. Nothing. Just a wall of text. And this is on desktop. I can't even imagine what it looks like on mobile. Oh my gosh. Brutal. With Skypole, again, we have text, but look at how easily this is broken up. Look at how much easier it is on the eye. It's more digestible. It's scannable with the eye. Just a few sentences here and then broken up with subheadings, with one short sentence with each subheading with an icon. This is the way you make content. We have short attention spans these days. No one reads anything anymore. This makes it digestible, easily scannable, and keeps people on the page. Not just lots of visuals, images. Enough with the giant walls of text. For example, on Skypole, this is the Get a Quote page. When you click Get a Quote button, this is where it takes you. There's no header, there's no footer. All of the attention is focused just on the contact form. At the top, you have more testimonials, more social proof, all from happy customers that have used Skypole. Get an almost instant quote. What does that mean? We receive your requests instantly via SMS, text message. Send us your details and we'll get you an estimate within 3 hours. So you're making a commitment, you're making a promise, and the visitor, when they fill out this form, knows what to expect from you. Set the precedent. Tell them exactly what they can expect from you. And of course, some people are old school, so we still have the option for immediate assistance. Call this phone number and you can just click or tap the phone number to call. Instead of having a generic heading like this, contact us for commercial window cleaning free quote. Like just keyword stuffing. I guess this is supposed to all be the hyperlink. Commercial window cleaning Toronto. Contact us for commercial window cleaning free quote. Commercial window cleaning in Toronto. Classic keyword stuffing. What if instead of that, you use keywords or phrases from customer reviews and put that in your heading? For example, here's a real customer review for Skypole, and look what they put here. It was like having friends over to clean my windows, except they actually knew what they were doing. Imagine if you just took that and made that your hero, your heading. How much more attention grabbing is that than just a generic keyword stuffed thing that's written for search engines instead of humans? This would kill. This would convert way better. And that is just a brief summary of why it's so important to not cheap out on website copy. Don't cheap out on your copywriting. There's a lot of ways to get websites built very affordably today. You can even build one yourself. But when it comes to the copywriting, the content of the website, that's the most important. It's actually even more important than the design itself. So implement the changes, the suggestions that I gave here. If you have any questions, let me know. If all of this sounds like too much for you and you really want to get a high-performing, affordable website made, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.